In life, there is as much happiness as the number of smiles. That's why we want to help patients regain their smiles by relieving anxiety and frustration caused by illnesses through providing drugs. Kaken Pharmaceutical is a company that delivers drugs with this in mind. Our corporate philosophy is to help improve the quality of life of patients by serving as many people as possible to return smiles of happiness to their faces through supplying superior pharmaceuticals. And to realize this philosophy, we hope to be a company that can bring joy to patients, society, and employees. Joy for patients. We strive to create and supply efficacious drugs that satisfy the needs of patients and medical professionals. Joy for society. We recognize our social responsibility as a pharmaceutical company, engage in all activities with high ethical standards, and aspire to earn society's trust. And for joy for employees, Kaken Pharmaceutical is to become a company with vitality and presence, whose employees enjoy and take pride in their work. While keeping these philosophies in mind, we have been in business for more than 75 years. Our history dates back to 1948. The company started its business as Kagaku Kenkyusho, with Yoshio Nishina, the father of modern physics, as its first president. In 1953, the company launched Athletin, a drug for athlete's foot, which was discovered and developed in-house, marking the first step in the field of dermatology. In 1963, the Shizuoka plant started operation. In 1982, the company changed its name to Kaken Pharmaceutical Company Limited. ARTS, launched in 1987, was the world's first hyaluronic acid intra-articular joint injection, which is still used today to treat knee osteoarthritis and other conditions. In 2001, Fiblast, a wound healing agent. In 2014, Clenophin, a topical onychomycosis treatment, was launched. Then in 2016, Regrowth, a periodontal regenerative agent. In 2018, Hernicor, a lumbar disc herniation treatment. And in 2020, the company launched Eclock, a topical primary axillary hyperhidrosis treatment. We have been providing new treatment options mainly in the dermatological and orthopedic fields. The company has also developed its crop protection business. We are contributing to global food production by providing environmentally friendly agrochemicals. We wish to fulfill medical needs that have not yet been met by any pharmaceutical company. Even if the number of patients is small, even if the disease is not life-threatening, if there are patients who are suffering and in need of treatment, we want to do our best to help patients with their illnesses as a pharmaceutical company. With this in mind, we have been creating and delivering drugs over many years and decades. The attitude of Kaken Pharmaceutical is supported by the thoughts and challenges of each and every employee. How can we fulfill the needs that have not yet been met? To achieve this mission, we pursue the possibilities of drug discovery, which is said to be 1 in 30,000. We will not compromise on the quality of our drugs. We will promote the proper use of drugs and help treat as many patients as possible. The driving force of Kaken Pharmaceutical is our employees who are willing and able to take on challenges to bring smiles to the faces of patients who suffer from illnesses. We have placed high value on our employees' thoughts and the environment in which they can take on their own challenges. In this age of 100-year life expectancy, we believe that drugs are needed not only to save lives, but also to support a healthy daily life. With this belief, we, as a pharmaceutical company, will continue to take on new challenges with people's smiles in mind. This is the wish of Kaken Pharmaceutical.